Alright, welcome back to Tech Voodoo, guys. Today is Matco Mondays. Sorry about last week. Max had told me that he was coming on Wednesdays instead of Mondays, so instead of recording a video every Monday with him and then just posting it, I'm going to be recording videos on Wednesday and then posting them the following Monday. That being said, Max isn't here today, but I figured I skipped last week, so I do apologize. I figured I'd go ahead and do a Matco Monday today. And I'm just going to go over one of the tools that I just got off of him about a month ago. So, So today on Matco Monday, we're going to go ahead and talk about SAIPM62. It is this kit right here, and I think this kit's pretty awesome because it comes with a extension for your bit driver. So you've got your standard extension and you've got a long extension here. What I think is really cool about this little kit, so we'll go ahead and put the long extension in there. So you got that, and they are impact safe. What I think is really cool is in this whole set here, you get, let me look at this for a minute, you get 10 and 8, so they're straight through, and they're 12 point. Instead of 6 point, so you get an 8mm and a 10mm. Simply just swap on there. You got your 10, or I'm sorry, you got your 8. You swap over there, you've got your 10. So it's a switchable socket, so you got 8, 10. You have 9 and 11. You've got 14 and 12. And then you have 13 and 15. This right here goes all the way up to 15. Look at that. It's 12 point. You simply pop that on there. This is perfect for four-wheelers and side-by-sides. Absolutely perfect. Because a lot of the bolts aren't, especially for body panels, a lot of the bolts aren't bigger than 15. And a bit driver usually gets most of those bolts out. So this is absolutely wonderful for taking body panels off of side-by-sides and off of four-wheelers and stuff like that. That's what I use this right here for a lot when I'm working on side-by-sides here at the shop. I mean, most of the time I'm switching in between the 8 and the 10, and it's simply just, I mean, you've got 8s, and then you go to a section that's got 10s, you simply just switch that over, zip, 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 and it's super easy. I love this little kit here. Comes with the long one, comes with a short one here. I know it might sound like a Tool Talk Tuesday, but I'm trying to make this a Matco Monday, this one out here at least. But anyway, awesome little kit right here. Like I said, this is SAIPM62 from Matco. Awesome little kit. You get it with a nice little foam piece here. It keeps them in there pretty decent. So it's not too bad. Obviously, the more you use it, the more it's going to wear down, because my 9 and 11 are worn down pretty significantly, because Ford uses 11 a lot, and I use this on a lot of Ford trucks. So, like I said, I mean, it didn't do too bad. See, had one fall out. Like I said, I use them all the time. But as far as putting it inside a toolbox and jiggling it around, stuff like that, they shouldn't go anywhere. But yeah, this right here is an awesome kit from Matco. I'd highly recommend this, especially if you're working on smaller stuff. I mean, even working on your vehicle, this is absolutely perfect for interior work too. I just use it a lot on the UTVs because I could switch back and forth super easy between the 8 and the 10 and stuff. So, but they really thought that out when adding that, because you got the 14 and 12 right here. And this right here is the best part. 13 and 15 is on the same socket. You have a lot of 13s, you have a lot of 15s. It's on the same socket. You simply just switch it out. So here's the Matco Monday. Awesome little kit that I got off of Max, off the tool truck. I personally would highly recommend it. It's a nice little kit to have inside the toolbox. I keep it here at the shop. But I did go to Blue Holler over the weekend, and I brought this with me for the UTVs, just in case anything were to, just in case I had to pull a panel off or anything like that. I probably wouldn't recommend these on like the A-arms and stuff, because those are pretty tight. And these are thin, so don't expect these to be like bulletproof, but they are impact safe, at least impact driver safe. So, but you got to remember, this is still 1/4 inch. Don't expect to get 300 foot-pounds out of these. But I highly recommend going ahead and grabbing a kit like this. Wonderful kit.